Hey guys, today we're going to be restoring and reviewing this Lego set from 1993. Let's get right to it.
Warning. This process takes a lot of patience. Do not attempt this if you are very impatient. You have been warned. So for the first step of restoring, you will need one tub and some soapy water inside it. We will now empty all the Lego pieces in there and let them rest for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
For the next step, you will need a towel, an old toothbrush, and a cotton bud. You will lay the towel down on the floor and take each piece separately and use the brush and the cotton bud to clean off any excess dirt. Then you will leave them on the towel with enough space so that they can dry.
A few moments later.
This is the type of spacing you will need after you've cleaned each piece and you want to let them rest for 24 hours.
24 hours later.
Now that we've finished restoring the set, we can do a quick review. As you guys can see, it's a rather small set and one more for beginners. It also didn't take very long to build. It comes with a smooth hand of God steering on top of the cabin, and it works like this. The tow truck also comes with a working tow hook, which you can lower using this handle. The tow hook also comes with a lock, which is above the handle. It allows the tow hook to only go up and not to go down, and it works like this. Another tip I would give while building the set is not to push these two pieces too tightly together, or the hook may not steady itself as you lower the hook. So it gives more playability if you open the pieces slightly that the hook can steady itself as you lower it. But that's it for today guys, I'll see you in the next video.